It's Arlen Hildebrand here with Prestige Trailers. Today I'd like to take you on a walk around with our Distinction Series aluminum grain trailer. It's been a model that's been available in the Canadian market since 2010. The current model we're reviewing today is a 40-foot model, 96 wide with 68-inch sidewalls. There's a 42-foot model that is also available for the industry today. The sidewalls are available with a 68-inch sidewall, 72-inch, as well as a 76-inch sidewall. We have a white trailer today. We do also have a black option available as well. The double wall constructed trailer consists of an exterior wall skin, which you can see here today, and is fashioned with Z-post to an interior skin as well. For smooth sidewall finish, there's no corrugation here, makes for easy cleaning. The lower rail is a two-piece rail, and the top rail is fastened to the wall as well. We've got a sloped rear wall, sloped front wall. It makes for nice, easy access to get up to the ladders should you want to crawl up and inspect your load or see what's inside. The Z-posts are a 12-inch spacing throughout the entire trailer. The other advantage in a two-piece rail provides a beautiful trough to carry all of our electrical and air lines, and it keeps them from being exposed to any of the elements outside of the trailer. All of our electrical and air lines are contained on either side within this channel that is created with a two-piece rail. The interior of the trailer is lined with an 050 aluminum skin, which gives you a nice clean flow to clean out your grain. There's nothing to hang up, and it gives you a nice flow in through your hoppers. Another option that we currently offer and is featured on the trailer here today would be the stainless wall package that we have for both the front and rear wall. We have a radius corner option with the stainless insert as well. So it makes for a nice, clean, sharp-looking trailer to have that finish right over in here. We also, you'll notice the hoppers, the suspension frame, upper coupler are all fastened with 3/8 huck bolt through the entire belt of the trailer, which gives a nice stiff side rail. Keeps that trailer nice and straight even though it's loaded. The same size rivet through the entire wall construction as well. The trailer we're showing today is an option B lighting package. We'll give you 5 lights on the bottom rail, 5 lights on the top rail, and as we go to the back of the trailer, the top corners of the trailer will also act as signal, and the high clearance light will also act as a high mount brake light, as well as an additional brake light on the bottom 3 lights in the belt as well. So you've got lots of lighting. Our lighting is a truck light package, so the lighting, the harnesses are all pre-built for us by Truck Light. The lights these lights featured today have a lifetime warranty. The venting that we have, just to allow any moisture to escape that could come between the two skins, the outer and the inner skins. So the two-piece rail has been drilled to allow that moisture condensation to escape and keeping the interior of the wall nice and dry. The hoppers are fastened with 3/8 huck bolts. The trailer we're showing you today has what we call the egg hopper. It's got a 24 by 27 opening with a very high clearance. You've got 23 plus inches to the very lower part of the trap opening. Something to note on our traps, they're all aluminum constructed, with the exception of the door, which is a stainless steel door as well, so there's no corrosion. There's also a Teflon wear skid that you'll see. The door will open beyond the trap opening to allow full clean out and the removal of any debris on the hopper itself. The aluminum hoppers are actually a two-piece construction with a seam down the middle. There's no corners that are riveted or fastened with huck bolts. It allows for a nice smooth flow into the exit of the hopper. Again, there's 2 sizes we're currently offering. The size that we're looking at today is a 24 by 27, and we do have an optional 32 by 40 hopper opening as well. The egg hopper, as we call the 24 by 27, has a high clearance. Our chute shafts are all stainless steel construction, so the shaft running down to the mechanism, stainless steel. It is fastened to the knock rail. Our hoppers come equipped with a knock rail around all 4 sides of the hopper as well. An optional feature you can add is a second knock rail that will encompass a vibrator bracket. So you can use a pneumatic vibrator should you have a product that you need to shake loose and get moving. We have our air gauge box mounted. Something to note, the box that's standard on this trailer is a box with a window and a light, so 24/7 you'll be able to see where your pressures are at. So inside the box, We'll also see we have a dump valve as well. And you do have the option of adding an optional air chuck in as well if you want to use it for an air source with your trailer as well. The optional hopper that we offer on this model as well is a 32 by 40 opening, but it does have a reduced clearance as well. It's 20 inches to the lowest point of the hopper. The degree of slope that we have on our end walls, it's a 33-degree slope right down to the unload part of the hopper. So a nice steep angle to get that product moving quickly as well. The side angles is a 34 degrees, so you've got nice even flow off the side of the hopper as well, so it allows for a great cleanout. The 33-degree slope angles are supported by an 080 aluminum skin that basically run down to the hoppers as well. A nice thick aluminum support to give you added life. We support that slope material with purlins that are spaced every 18 inches from the top down to the bottom to keep that surface as smooth as possible and keep the exit of the grain flowing smoothly. Another lighting option that is available, a load-unload feature that we have. Basically, we'll mount a light on the front part of the trailer as well as a second light on the stiffener, allowing you to have a nice lit axis for when you're dumping your grain, loading light that shines into both hoppers, so night or day you're able to see what's going into the bin or what's leaving. Again, that's an option to talk to your sales reps about. The trailers come equipped with a tarping system that's supplied to us by Sherco. It's called the Sherlock system, available in many different colors other than black. The nice part about this tarping system, you can add a power tarp system as well to make that easier. We'll give you a remote to open your tarp. You can add the power trap opener as well, which is a nice completion to the whole package. Basically, you can open and close both on the touch of a button. Standard on the trailer is an access ladder on both the front and rear of the trailer. The second part of the ladder will fold over, giving you a nice low entry point to be able to crawl up and access the inside of the hopper. The grab handles that we mounted, there's two of them on either side of the trailer, just giving you a secure hang-on point as you're crawling up into your grain trailer. There is a optional tow hook that is available that would be mounted right in this area here as well. Okay, we're talking about some of the lighting packages that we do have available. We have the base model lighting package, which is the DOT required lighting package. We have 3 additional lighting packages, and the trailer you're looking at today is our mid-range package. It features 5 lights on the top and bottom rail of the sides of the trailers. We have a high-mounted brake light, as well as an additional 3 lights on the bottom, giving you more visibility when braking. We currently offer 2 different suspension frames, and the unit we're looking at today is a steel constructed suspension frame. There is also an all aluminum construction frame that is bolted into our main suspensions. The suspensions we currently offer on all of our trailers are supplied to us by Hendrickson. We run the Intrax A&T 23K suspension. You do have the option of different wheel end packages that we offer. We have an oil-filled wheel end package, a semi-fluid grease package, or the Hendrickson HXL5 package as well, and that comes completely equipped with the Tire Max Pro system. We do also offer the Max 22T in the disc brake package should you choose to go to the disc braking option as well. We do offer the Hendrickson Tire Max Pro inflation system, so it allows you the peace of mind knowing that all of your tires will be equally inflated and maintain that equal pressure right across every axle, or your axles are not pressurized. There's several different wheel options. The trailer we're looking at today, we're featuring the Alcoa all aluminum. You can go to a steel option as well, generally supplied to us by Michelin, BF Goodrich, or Bridgestone. So there are tire options available to fit your specific needs. Not only do we finish the hopper with 050 aluminum skin, we also complete the package by using the same aluminum finish on the inside in the no load area. Gives you a nice clean finish. There's very little hang up for dirt and debris to come in. An optional feature that we do offer is a full closeout for the front and rear of the trailer, so it'll allow you to keep all the debris below the belt line. Within that closeout is also a manhole, so you can still access anything inside of that area as well. The coupler frame is only offered in a steel offering. Something unique to the Prestige Distinction Series is this drop-in coupler frame. It'll allow you more swing clearance over those shiny chrome fenders you have in your truck should you come out of an approach and there's some oscillation. When it's this much closer, you're 3 inches closer to your fender, and it will allow you that extra room to move without damaging your fender. A standard feature on our grain trailer is also the Yost landing gear, which is aluminum constructed landing gear. It comes standard with a 10-year warranty as well as a 5-year maintenance-free package as well. The same chute crank that opens your doors will also raise and lower your dollies. It's Arlen from Prestige Trailers. I'd like to thank you for joining us today on the walk around on our Distinction Series trailer. Thank you.